So hello friends, how is everyone? I hope everyone is doing very well. So friends, we have come up with the content of our new video today. So friends, today's video content is going to be about how to recover deleted files by selecting from Windows. Many of you have permanently deleted a lot of files. You can't get those back. So I have brought this 100% working video for you. If you follow this step by step, all your recovery files that you deleted will be recovered. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome browser. After opening, you need to search here Advanced Report Recovery File. So you need to search. After that, the first link that opens in front of you, you need to click on it, test. After doing that, you will have to download it for free from here. You will see the free download option from here. You have to download it for free from here. After doing this, it will show up on your desktop. This advanced file recovery is there. You need to open it. Then you have to say yes here. You have to take your Windows C drive. Activate the deep scan here and click next here. After that, start the scan. Okay. Once you start the scan, it will begin scanning. Okay. The files that have been permanently deleted or normally deleted and you can't find, you can probably recover them from here. This will take your time. Once done, everything here will be set. So after it has computed the percentage, the files you need to recover, after selecting them like this, you will click so that they do not get recovered. From here, upgrade this and select the folder where you will keep it, then apply it there. It gets fixed. So friends, if you like this video, then please like, subscribe and share the channel. Now I am leaving.